Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Bluetooth headphones not working in Discord Mobile. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So if your Bluetooth headphones are not working correctly in Discord on your mobile device, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the issue. So first of all is to check Bluetooth in connection. So ensure that your Bluetooth headphones are paired and connected properly to your mobile device. Make sure they are also charged and within the operating range of the device. Next is to test with other apps. Check if your Bluetooth headphones work correctly with other apps on your mobile device. Try playing music or making a call to verify if the issue is specific to Discord or a general Bluetooth problem. Restart Bluetooth. So turn off Bluetooth on your mobile device, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. This can sometimes help resolve connection issues. And now restart Discord. Close the Discord app completely and reopen it. Sometimes these simple step rather can fix minor app glitches. Check Discord audio settings. Open Discord on your mobile device and check the audio settings. Make sure that the correct audio input and output devices are selected. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video and verify the audio settings. Reset voice settings. So, in Discord, you can reset your voice settings to default. So to do that, go to User Settings, Voice and Video, then reset voice settings. So this can fix any audio configuration issues. And next is to update Discord app. Ensure that you have the latest version of Discord app installed on your mobile device. Outdated versions may have compatibility issues. And next is to check app permission. Make sure Discord has the necessary permissions to access your microphone and Bluetooth service devices. Check the app permissions in your mobile device settings. Update mobile device software. Ensure that your mobile device's operating system is up to date. Software updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Test with wired headphones. If possible, try connecting wired headphones to your mobile device and check if the issue persists. This can help determine if the problem is specific to Bluetooth headphones or a broader audio issue. And lastly, is to restart mobile device. If none of the previous steps work, try restarting your mobile device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various issues. If you've tried all of these steps and the problem persists, there might be a compatibility issue between Discord and your specific Bluetooth headphones. In such cases, you can try reaching out to Discord support team for further assistance. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!